Rolling the action.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Allow me introduce myself. I'm Rizka Hapsari. I'm from Pinrang Regency, South Sulawesi. Nowadays, I'm studying in accounting major at Makassar Fajar University. I will introduce the topic which is learning from Tenganan Peringsingan village in construction, tourism, and creative economy in the age of industrial revolution 4.0 for sustainable development goals of 2030. Every village in Indonesia that is the man capable of developing tourism and creative industry will receive a budget to build and develop the potential of the village so that it can optimally develop and sell. But many villages are currently building up their areas though modernization that does not at all reflect the local culture or wisdom of the area. In most areas, only facilities such as soccer field, food court, and shopping center or mall will be built. In fact, a village that received the budget saw the potential for cultural preservation. An example of a village preservation in culture in the age of globalization is Tenganan Peringsingan village in Kecamatan Manggis, Kabupaten Karangasem, East Bali Province. Tenganan is an area in the form of traditional village which still adheres to the custom and culture of the ancestral heritage, namely as Bali Asli or Bali Aga. In Tenganan traditional village, there is an awik-awik that is a norm that regulates the order of life of the resident of Tenganan Peringsingan traditional village, especially with regard to regulation, the relationship between people and environment, and people and their God. Tourism and creative industry as engine of sustainable economy. Mr. Sandiaga Uno highlight three main strategy to revitalize the tourism industry during the COVID-19 pandemic. First, innovation is required. Innovation is required to make fundamental change in the improvement of tourism and creative industry. Secondly, adoption. Adoption is a very important factor. Indonesia is particularly struggling with the COVID-19 pandemic. So, the Ministry of Tourism of Creative Industry countries to support adoption under the CHSE, Clean, Healthy, Safety, and Environmental Sustainability program to ensure the comfort of tourism organization and the tourism industry. And really, cooperation is required. The involvement of all parties or stakeholders in the reconstruction of the tourism sector and the creative industry. In the creative industry, on the other hand, the Ministry of Tourism and Creative Industry has developed a 3G approach, namely GERCEF, Fast Movement, GABER, Joint Movement, Gaspol, working on full potential to save jobs in this sector. Sustainable economic development of the 1930 Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) on September at United Nations UN headquarters, world leader formally adopted the Sustainability Development Goals Agenda as a global development agreement. Around 1930 head of state attended, including Indonesian Vice President Yusuf Kala, who also endorsed the Sustainable Development Goals Agenda. Under the motto, Changing Our World, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, the Sustainable Development Goals, which comprise 17 goals and 169 sub-goals and represent a comprehensive plan of action for the next 15 years to reduce poverty, eliminate, reduce inequality, and protect the environment. The SDGs apply to all countries universally, so all countries, developed countries without expectation, have a moral obligation to achieve the goal and objective of the SDGs. Village as center of tourism-based development and creative industry. Each village is considered to have tourism potential and creative economy that can contribute to the development of the region and the well-being of its people. This potential must be further researched, developed, and preserved. Tourist satisfaction no longer depends on natural beauty and modern tourist facilities, but on flexibility and enthusiasm in dealing with the environment and local communities. Many tourists are starting to abandon traditional tourism and turn to tourism that is more respectful of local nature, environment, culture, and attraction. Learning from Tenganan Peringsingan village is one of Baline's village prospering in the local culture wisdom. Times have become more advanced but Tenganan village has not been exposed to the wave modernization. Decorate with caricature of all building, the place showcase the beauty of its pristine surroundings. In the news, handicraft of Tenganan village such as bamboo weaving, carving, painting, and weaving make the village even more attractive. It's like making a greasing weave using the double weave technique. Garansing weave is now and available only Tenganan Penggerisan village in Bali, as the technique is unique in Indonesia. What can learn from Tenganan Peringsingan village is the we need to protect our ancestral heritage so the next generation can understand and know our ancestral traditional and culture. Unlike most another village in general, they rarely show their culture or word because they cling to today's world where everything is one and momentary. They don't have to worry about making anymore. Tenganan Peringsingan Village Tourism and Creative Industry Development Strategy. Tenganan Village unique strategy is avoid indiscriminate logging. Residents of Tenganan Village are strictly prohibited from logging without the permission of the traditional elders. The wood that can be out is part of tree, that is 3 or 4 dead, and I will take 5 witness to see this to believe this to be true. The uniqueness of the tradition makes the environment of Tenganan Village beautiful and does not harm nature. Accelerating village development through the use of it in the era of 4.0 revolution. Villages are the lowest government structure in Indonesia located in rural areas. Currently, most villages in Indonesia are at a disadvantage compared to urban area, which are usually the center or regional development. Most rural conditions remain poor with inferior productivity, income, and welfare conditions compared to urban conditions. Fisher and Jasny 2017. Tourism and creative industry are key sector entrusted with helping solve Indonesia development problem. The wide opening of employment opportunity in all sectors of the tourism industry has gradually solved the problem of employment and human resource. Moreover, presence or advanced technology in the working environment, the help simplify and speed up human work will make the tourism industry more and more reliable in this development, helping to achieve the sustainable development goals of 2030. There is a high opportunity to achieve the SDG. Sustainable tourism and tourism 4.0 ensures that future generations will enjoy the positive result of the various programs implemented and be prepared for the better future. Special attention so also be paid to ensure the development is evenly distributed. This is my introduction and please excuse me my mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.